Cash for gold trader gets 5-day prison sentence. Cash for gold trader gets 5-day prison sentence. A judge yesterday sentenced a cash for gold peddler to 5 days imprisonment after she considered her option under a 76-year-old law under which he was prosecuted. George Findla pleaded guilty on Monday to breaching the Metal and Jewelry Control of Second-Hand Act, under which a maximum fine of $200 can be imposed. A person convicted under the act can also be imprisoned for up to a year. Senior Parish Judge Lori Ann Cole Montague said it makes no sense to impose the $200 fine on Findla, who begged the judge leniency. Just beg you have little leniency, ma'am, and I'm asking you a favor with getting a job to get me off the streets, Cash for gold peddler told the judge. In her response, Judge Cole Montague said she does not take light the offense. Investigators told the court that Findla forms a group of 4 men who loiter outside the Halfway Tree Transport Center daily, bellowing, "Gold me a buy," to passers-by. The court was told that cash for gold peddlers pose a risk to the public as stolen jewelry such as gold rings and chains are sold to them. Findla told the judge that he would be making efforts to seek employment, and confessed to a previous conviction for robbery with aggravation. "I will not impose a $200 sentence, that makes no sense. The very stationery is worth more than that. I have often reminded persons that when matters are before the court for sentencing, there are different goals to be accomplished, and the goal to being accomplished in sentencing you is that there must be a deterrent effect. Having regard to the landscape now in Halfway Tree, there is a problem and the police are crying out," Cole Montague said. $200 is nothing. I'm going to give you a little time, sir, she said before sentencing Findla to 5 days imprisonment at hard labor.